guys, okay, so today I'm going to talk to you all about the kits that you can get when you sign up to become a distributor for Senegence International. There are 3 different kit options and they're all great options, and I'm going to highlight a little bit about each of them and why I feel like you should order a kit when joining the business. So, first things first, I'm going to tell you there's 3 different kits. There's the 1000 PV kit. It's called a fast start kit. It's the most value for what you're gonna get. Then there's a significant Seneseller kit. That is the second kit, and then the third kit is the qualified distributor kit. So those are the 3 options that we have for you. I'm gonna tell you a little bit about what comes in each kit and why I think it would be of great value for your business to purchase one of these kits. Okay, so you can see on the screen now all 3 kit options in the frame. So the fast start pack, the significant Seneseller pack, and the qualified distributor pack. We're gonna start and go over the fast start pack. So what comes in the fast start pack is incredible. You are going to get over 50 shades of the most popular LIPSENSE colors. You're gonna get cosmetics and skincare products. You're also going to get a free Senesite and a free Senegence Senebiz app for 12 months. Those are 2 incredibly useful tools for your Senegence business. The Senesite website is going to help you collect orders online from your friends and family and help you be able to sell more products online. The Senebiz app is an amazing app full of resources to help you work your Senegence business, including videos, graphics, and tons of things that you can share with your friends and family very easily through an app that's downloaded straight to your phone. You're also going to get a distributor planning calendar that'll help you plan out your year, because we all know when there's a plan, it's gonna be much more effective. You're also gonna be making a $5 donation to the Make Sense Foundation, and what that is a nonprofit organization that helps women and children in need, and it is a huge part of our company. I love so much that Senegence is all about helping women, and even women who are struggling can feel help from us at the hardest time of their life. If they can't join the company, they're still getting help through the Make Sense Foundation, and what an awesome gift to be able to donate $5 to that foundation. You're also gonna have access to exclusive business training from leaders and corporate members in the company. It's awesome to hear from so many successful people and help you learn how to grow your business. You're gonna get 30-day fast start bonus products. I'm gonna share more with you later on, but it's an extra bonus pack that you get for ordering the 1000 PV kit. And you're also gonna get free shipping on this packet. Okay, so let's talk a little bit more about what exactly comes in the 1000 PV kit. You are going to get 50 of the most popular LIPSENSE, cosmetics, and skincare products that Senegence has to offer. Some of the products that are included are Beige Champagne LIPSENSE, Pink Champagne LIPSENSE, Precious Topaz, Fly Girl, Nude, Cocoa, Aussie Rose, Fire and Ice, Violet Volt, Dark Pink, Napa, Sassy Z, Plum, and Kiss for a Cause LIPSENSE. You're gonna get 10 glossy glosses, sand gloss, silver gloss. You're gonna get 4 removers. You're gonna get multiple shades of foundation. You're gonna get tinted moisturizer, pearlizer, multiple shades of shadow scents, some concealer, cleanser, moisturizers, eye cream, eye illuminator, hydrating facial mist, silk, Seneserum C, a collagen night pack, and a Senederm facial resurfacer, as well as Nangai oil and clear lip volumizer. These are all products that are gonna be your top sellers in your business, so what better way to start off than to have one of those available at your house for either 1, for you to use, or 2, for you to be able to use as a sample to share with your friends and family, because we all know when someone tries a product, it's so awesome for them to be able to see what the product is really gonna be like before spending the money on buying it. Okay, I told you that I would follow back up with that 30-day fast start bonus product that you're also going to get with this kit. The bonus packet that you'll get is a skincare collection in whatever collection best suits your skin. You can pick from normal to dry, dry, normal to oily, or oily to acne. It is going to come with a 3-in-1 cleanser, a daytime moisturizer, and an evening moisturizer in the collection that best suits your skin type. You're also going to get an eye cream, hand cream, advanced hydration body lotion, body wash, body scrub, perfume, and a body poof. So that's a little bonus you get right away if you sign up with the 1000 PV kit. So I think that the 1000 PV Fast Start Pack is the most beneficial to your business. Now this pack costs $1,195 US, but the value is $3,500. I don't know about you, but that sounds like an amazing value. $3,500 worth of product and material for $1,195. I think that is the best option. Okay, let's move on to the next pack. The next pack that I'm gonna talk to you about is gonna be the Significant Seneseller pack. Okay, up on the screen now, you should be able to see a picture of what's going to come in your Significant Seneseller pack. That pack is valued at over $1,830, and it can be yours for only $795. You're gonna get a lips demo kit. I'll tell you more about what comes in that later. You're going to also get over 15 lip sense colors, 10 glosses, 8 shadow sense colors, 7 foundation shades, and a range of over 12 other Senecosmetic color products. You're gonna get the Senesight and Senebiz app that I talked about earlier in the other pack for 6 months. You're also gonna get a distributor planning calendar, free shipping on the pack as well, and you're also gonna make a $5 donation to the Make Sense Foundation. Okay, so the lips kit that comes in your Significant Seneseller pack is going to include 6 LipSense tester tubes. So what that means is these tubes are gonna be a little bit smaller than the actual LipSense tubes that you or your customers were gonna get, because they are used for sampling the products to your customers. The lips kit is gonna come with 6 tester tubes. That's going to include the colors Sheerberry, Caramel Apple, Love It, Bombshell, Dawn Rising, and Bella. That's 6 different LipSense colors in a sample tube. It's also going to include a Glossy Gloss, an Oops Remover, 50 LipSense applicators that'll help you keep the tube clean and hygienic. You're gonna get 20 Glossy Gloss samples, 5 beauty books, customer receipts, a demo guide, and also a bag to keep all of it in. The Significant Seneseller pack is a great option for your business, and I think you'd be really happy if you purchased that as well. So you can get all of that valued at over $1,830 for only $795. Okay, let's move on to the final kit that I'm gonna tell you guys about. This is called the Qualified Distributor Pack. It is valued at over $830, and it's gonna cost you $345. This kit is an awesome option if you're looking to get some LipSense colors to be able to have on hand to share to your customers. The Qualified Distributor Kit, you are going to get a lips demo kit that I talked about earlier with the 6 sample tubes, Glossy Gloss, Oops Remover, all of those things that I had mentioned before. You're also gonna get order of 12 LipSense colors. You can choose from neutral or bold. You'll get 9 Glossy Gloss tubes, 3 matte glosses, 6 Oops, and a remover. You're gonna get the Senesight and the Senebiz app for 3 months for free. You're gonna also make a $5 donation to the Make Sense Foundation. In the Qualified Distributor Pack, the neutral colors that are included would be Beige Champagne, Peak Champagne, Goddess, Bella, First Love, Nude, Cocoa, Cappuccino, Sheerberry, Plum Pretty, Praline Rose, and Dawn Rising LipSense. You're gonna get 9 glossy, 3 matte, and 6 Oops Removers. If you wanted to go with the bold Qualified Distributor Pack, you're gonna get colors that are a little more bright and not so neutral. It's gonna come with Raspberry LipSense, Blue Red, Violet Volt, Purple Rain, Strawberry Shortcake, Sassy Z, Plum, Kiss for a Cause, Pomegranate, Flor-de-Lisa, Plumeria, and Bee Ruby. Also with the Glossy Gloss Matte and Oops Remover. So you kind of have a little bit of an option of whether you want neutral or bold. When it comes to these kits, I don't feel like you can make a wrong decision. They're all so great and they all have so much value. So whatever decision you make, you're gonna be able to start your business off right and able to really demo and highlight the products to your friends and family, to your customers, to anyone around the world. When you do a tutorial video, you will have testers for them to be able to try if you have a in-home demo. So, like I said, they're all amazing values. I prefer the 1000 PV kit only because you get the most amount of products at the best value. I hope this helped you with the Senegence kits and what's available. If you have any questions, be sure to reach out to your upline. She'd be happy to explain more to you and send you pictures of the products that would come in if you're wondering what shades you should go for, the neutral, the bold, or order the Fast Start kit, get neutral and bold colors. Same with the Significant Seller kit, you're gonna get neutral and bold. But if you're looking for colors and what those colors look like on actual lips, your upline can help you find those. I hope this video helped you, and I'm so excited to hear about what kit you decided to order to start your Senegence business off on the right foot.